Hello everyone, my name is RColbert and this is my presentation on NARUTO versus ASTA, the Pearson correlation coefficient, also known as the Pearson's R. Hi, this is just background information regarding Naruto Uzumaki, and the next slide will be background regarding ASTA. So this one is Naruto, the series is called Naruto, so he is the main character. Over time during the series you see him get stronger. He has something inside of him called a nine-tailed fox, and it's a spirit, and he can pull from that power of the nine tails. And throughout the course of the show, without giving up all the information, he is able to work with that spirit within him to become stronger. Asta is one of the main characters of Black Clover, who was born without magic in a world full of magic. He was gifted a grimoire at the age of 15 that could only be wielded by someone without magic and has a demon spirit attached to it, which further along the line, Asta realized he can pull from that demon spirit's energy. This is just a quick comparison slide. So both Naruto and Asta both have been orphaned. They both have some type of form of uniqueness, i.e. the nine-tailed beast inside of Naruto and the demon spirit attached to Asta's grimoire, which now is attached with him when he uses it. They both have big dreams. Naruto wanting to be a Hokage, which is sort of like a king, and Asta wanting to be the Wizard King, which is not the exact royalty king, but it's kind of like the king of the magic knights and so on. And they both show immense determination, care, love, and just passion for them, what they're working towards, their friends, family, and just doing the right thing. Now, the research question that can be set up for this sort of situation is, we wanted to find out what is the difference in average power levels among orphan characters in anime series, and does having a special or unique skill impact one's power level. The independent variables can be the anime character, them being orphans, and then their character specials, like i.e. them having the beast. Independent variable is just seeing the power level. I decided to use the Pearson correlation because I'm trying to see if there's a correlation mainly between their uniqueness and their power level. So typically, the Pearson correlation is used when you have two variables and you wish to see if there's a linear relationship between those variables. Pearson correlations range between +1 and -1. So that's your range when you get your data back. +1 indicates a perfect positive correlation, and a -1 is a perfect negative correlation. And 0 means there's no linear correlation between your two variables. This is just a sample of my data view from SPSS. The characters are 1 and 2. 1 is Naruto, 2 is Asta. Uniqueness, 1 is Nine Tails, 2 is Demon Spirit, and this is just randomized numbers to give out power level. Here is the output of the Pearson correlation. We have a -2.48 here, and that just tells us that the correlation is negative between power and uniqueness, and the significance is 0.489. Our alpha value is 0.05. This is higher, so with the Pearson's R, it tells us that the test is not statistically significant. Thank you for reviewing this presentation. Any questions or suggestions, please leave them below.